Step-by-step BAY6 XL Grow Tent assembly. Step 1. Empty the box and check you've got everything. All BAY6 tents come with clear instructions. Step 2. Completely unfold and spread out the canvas. Step 3. Using 4 corner pieces and 4 number 1 poles, construct the base of the tent. Ensure poles are firmly pushed into the corner pieces. Step 4. Take 4 number 2 poles and start assembling the upright. Step 5. Insert the 4 number 3 poles into the tops of the number 2 poles. Step 6. Use the 4 remaining corner pieces and 4 more number 1 poles to construct the top of the frame. Step 7. Attach the hooks to the remaining number 1 poles to create the support poles. Step 8. Clip the support poles to the top of the frame. These are for hanging your light and extraction system. Step 9. Pull the canvas over the tent frame. Step 10. Zip up the sides to complete your tent's assembly. Your tent is now ready for all your growing equipment. For more guides like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel or head over to the GroWell website.